वफाकी वजीर मौसमियाती तब्दीली डॉक्टर मुसद्दिक मलिक ने कहा है कि आलमी कार्बन अखराज में पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा 1% से भी कम है, लेकिन पाकिस्तान मौसमियाती ख़तरात से सबसे ज़्यादा मुतासर ममालिक में शामिल है। COP-30 क्लाइमेट फाइनेंस डायलॉग से वीडियो लिंक खिताब में वफाकी वजीर मौसमियाती तब्दीली ने कहा कि मौसमियाती बहरान माली मावनत नहीं, मौसमियाती इंसाफ का मसला है।
A river called Indus River, but we don't call it Indus River, we call it Indus Valley Civilization. Because it is everything for us. It's our villages, it's our rivers, it's the way of life for us, it's our religious places, our worship places, our schools, our hospitals, the little paradises that we built along that river. So it's amazing when you see that the same beautiful scenery which has been a source of joy for thousands and thousands of years all of a sudden now is associated with the devastations of flood. And I'm not going to get into how much devastation it has caused in Pakistan. Pakistan is one of the countries in the world where the devastation, flood-related devastation, has been the highest or one of the highest.